Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix volume bar stuck on desktop screen in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to restart your PC. The simplest first step is to restart your computer. A quick reboot often resolves temporary glitches. Method 2 is to check for stuck volume keys. Make sure none of the volume keys on your keyboard such as volume up, down or mute are stuck or multifunctioning. If you are using an external keyboard, try disconnecting it and see if the issue persists. Method 3. Disconnect external devices. Disconnect any external audio devices like headphones, speakers or USB audio devices. Sometimes faulty audio peripherals cause the volume bar to get stuck. Method 4 is to reinstall audio driver. To do this, go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand the sound, video and game controller. And now you just need to right click on where audio driver, in my case high definition audio device. Just right click on it and select uninstall device and select uninstall and uninstall the device. After that you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5 is to run Windows troubleshoot. To do this, go to search menu and type troubleshoot settings. Click on open it. Select other troubleshooters. Select audio troubleshoot to run. Follow the on-screen instructions and check if the problem solved or not. Method 6 is to check for Windows updates. Make sure your Windows system is up to date. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. Updating your system can resolve software bugs. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. Method 7 is to disable Windows audio service and restart it. To do this, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Find Windows audio service. Just double click on it. Select stop option and wait for a few seconds. Then you just need to select start option and select apply and OK for save changes. And after that you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the 8th method guys. Method 8, you just need to right click on this sound icon and select the sound settings. Just need to scroll down, select more sound settings. In playback tab, you just need to scroll down and select the speaker, and after that select properties. Select levels tab and you just need to change the volume up to down and check if the problem solved or not. Click on OK. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.